But how do we declare strings? Now let's type some simple strings. I will here write strings, okay, and then let's write basketball player, and here I'll create a simple code that will ask you to create or to add your favorite basketball player. And to do this, we need to take an input from the user. And in Python, you are taking input from the user by doing input, okay? And here you can write a string asking a question. So let's in that case ask, who is your favorite basketball player? And I will leave some space here, okay? And then, so first of all, the program takes this input and stores it in the basketball player variable, okay? And let's try to print our result, so to print what we actually added in the program. So to do this, you can simply write print, then my favorite player is, let's do space here, and then simply write basketball player, and then we'll add plus here. So what this will simply do, this will add this string here, my favorite basketball player is, and then this will add the string basketball player, which we already declared and found. But there is nothing better than simply running the code. So once I run the code, press OK here, and here we can see a statement asking us what is our favorite basketball player. Let's press Michael Jordan. And when you select enter, you can see the statement, my favorite basketball player is Michael Jordan, right? So it added the string, my favorite basketball player is, and basketball player. And this is how you basically take input from the user and print it.